Hey everybody, I wanted to show you guys how I trim my own hair. That doesn't mean that you should stop going to a professional. I like to do this in between my professional cuts whenever I see, for example, stringy hairs or fairy knots, or they end up looking super dry at the end. That's when I know it's time for a cut, and I tend to do it myself. I prefer to trim my hair dry just so I can see the length at its natural state, and I can see the damages a lot more better. When it's wet, forget about it. So to start, I'm gonna section my hair. Just makes it easier for me to see curl by curl, what needs to get trimmed, and I have smaller sections over here. So I'm gonna take these, and then of course you gotta use hair scissors, not any other scissors. And then I'll just take curl by curl. I don't take that much, I just take the stringy ones at the end. So whenever I see this, I just cut it here, because that's when it stops curling, looks weaker, it looks stringy. Done trimming my hair. This is what I do every month or so, just to give it a little dusting, a little trim. So this is how much I trimmed in this cut. As you can see, it's the damaged ends and dry fairy knots and all that junk. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching, guys.